hey, I want to save more, but everywhere I can put it is not really tax efficient. Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to talk through a tax planning and saving strategy. Might be able to use at the end of this year, but certainly going into next year as well. So if you're fortunate to be crushing it professionally, you're maxing out your 401k, probably can't make a deductible IRA contribution, and probably make too much to earn a Roth IRA. You're like and saying, hey, I want to save more, but everywhere I can put it is not really tax efficient. All right, the brokerage account, you get a 1099 every year for any interest or most interest and dividends you receive. And when you go to use that money, you're probably going to pay capital gains tax at 15 or 20%. So it's like, damn, I wish I could save more in a tax efficient way. So enter the mega backdoor Roth IRA. So you're going to want to talk to your HR to see if this is possible. But your 401k actually has two limits on it. One is what you can contribute as an employee, which is $22,500 for 2023. But then there's another limit of total contributions, which combines your employee contributions, your match from your employer if you get it, and then this magical third component, the after-tax contributions. And this limit is $66,000 total can go into a 401k account, okay? And the beauty here is, let's say you get $22,500, which you max out on your own as an employee. Your company puts in $7,500 as a match. So you've got $30,000 that has gone into this account, but this other limit is $66,000. That means that you can put an additional $36,000 into your 401k account to hit this upper limit as an after-tax contribution. So the beauty here is you're going to be paying tax on that money no matter what, because you've already maxed out all of your pre-tax buckets. So you put it in as an after-tax contribution. The beauty is you are allowed to do a conversion and move that money from an after-tax bucket into the Roth side of the plan. So you can either move it into a Roth 401k or roll that money out into a Roth IRA, okay? The advantage here is you just created, in this example, $36,000 of tax advantage savings per year, because once it gets into the Roth side, you are not exposed. It's going to grow tax deferred, all right? So interest or dividends don't matter. It's going to grow tax deferred each and every year. And more importantly, when you take that money out to use it in retirement, your contributions and your growth are coming out completely tax-free at that point in time. So if you're going to talk to your HR, you want to ask them two things, okay? Can I make after-tax contributions to my 401k? And does my plan support in-plan Roth conversions? Okay, so just something to think about going into this year. If you're getting a bonus at year end, those after-tax contributions might be a great place to hit that upper max of $66,000. And certainly going into next year, understanding if you can make those after-tax contributions and really contribute and maximize the power of your 401k and be as tax efficient with your savings and your tax planning as possible. So something to think about. Hope it helps. Hope you got better weather than I do here in Buffalo. It snowed recently, and you're able to play some golf. So hit them well, and we'll talk again soon. See ya.